the socks for me. Might see me in that. See, we made it through. You ain't gonna look down. You ain't gonna look down. Hey everybody. This is our second time after 2 years. And you know this is gonna be the...
When my hands
Yeah.
I know. When it gets real crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna go get crazy.
We're at the
here.
top. Okay, I'm looking.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
It's a long time up here.
It is. It's the anticipation. It's just the fact that the last part is going to be the wild part.
Yeah.
I don't want to
I know,
think
yeah,
about
this is
it.
the wild part.
That's it. We survived it. It was there.
Oh, like my hand.